Good morning, KASM listeners. This is Brittany Lenzmeier, Outreach Coordinator with the Stearns County Soil and Water Conservation District with your weekly conservation report for Saturday, August 3rd. I'm going to start off this week's Dirt Tape by recapping some previous events we recently held. On July 15th, the Benton, Morris, and Stearns SWCDs hosted a Cultivating Conservation Field Day at Meadowbrook Dairy near Sartell. This event was part of the We Are Water exhibit that was held at Art in Motion in Holdingford, which ran earlier this spring and summer. This field day provided information on water quality, soil health, irrigation water management, nutrient management, soil health demonstrations, and soil health equipment. Thank you to the Udermanns family for hosting this informative event. And then on July 23rd, we hosted a shoreline restoration bus tour around Lake Coronis and Rice Lake. This event showcased shoreline restoration projects and water quality improvement projects. Participants learned how natural buffers and native plants can stabilize shorelines, prevent erosion, and filter runoff. Additionally, rain gardens and native vegetation were also highlighted as effective tools for keeping pollutants out of our lakes and rivers. Thank you to the landowners who opened up their properties for this valuable learning experience and to everyone who attended. If you are interested in learning more about shoreline restoration, please contact our office at 320-251-7800 extension 3. Now I'm going to be shifting gears a little bit. I'm going to highlight some exciting field days that are coming up. We are hosting a free soil health field day on Thursday, August 29th at Roger Weber's farm near Sauk Center. This event is designed for landowners, farmers, and anyone interested in learning on how to improve their soil health. The field day will take place from 8:30 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. Pre-registration is encouraged by Monday, August 19th to ensure a free lunch. Register online at www.stearnscountyswcd.net/field day or by calling our office at 320-251-7800 extension 3. The day will be packed with informative sessions and demonstrations, which include discovering practical ways to improve your soil and learn about financial assistance opportunities like the Minnesota Ag Water Quality Certification Program and SWCD programs. Ask questions, network with other landowners, and gain valuable knowledge about practices you can implement on your own land. Explore 5 different cover crop demonstration plots and witness a rainfall simulator showcasing the impact of tillage techniques on infiltration rates. Witness live equipment demonstrations featuring a low disturbance manure injector, vertical tillage, strip till units, and a no-till drill and a retrofitted no-till planter. Engage with local farmers who have transitioned from conventional to various conservation practices during a farmer panel discussion. End the day with a hearty lunch catered by Custom Catering. This field day is organized and hosted by the Stearns County SWCD with funding and support from the Sauk River Watershed Comprehensive Watershed Management Plan and partners. Funding is provided by the Clean Water Fund as part of the Clean Water Land and Legacy Amendment. For more information, visit www.legacy.mn.gov/cleanwaterfund. Don't miss this opportunity to learn and network. Another field day opportunity is the Rosholt Research Farm Field Day near Westport on August 15th. Topics of this field day include finding the right combination of productivity and environmental protection in N rates and cover crops for irrigated corn and soybeans, optimizing irrigation and nitrogen management, key insights from central Minnesota, conservation economics, and the rainfall simulator, which explores and examines infiltration rates on various cropland use techniques. This field day is free and lunch is included, and those who are interested in attending should RSVP by August 8th at www.stearnscountyswcd.net/Rosholt. This event is organized by the Pope and Stearns SWCDs and the Minnesota Department of Agriculture. Funding for the work at Rosholt has been funded by the Minnesota Environment and Natural Resources Trust Fund as recommended by the Legislative Citizen Commission on Minnesota Resources, the Minnesota Department of Agricultural Fertilizer Research and Education Council, and the Clean Water Fund as part of the Clean Water Land and Legacy Amendment. Another field day that is coming up is the Boots on the Ground Tips for Transition to No-Till on August 9th at Meadowbrook Dairy near Sartell from 1 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Topics of this field day include Meadowbrook Farms' step-by-step process to success with no-till and cover crops, no-till air drill and corn planter demonstrations, nutrient management using manure and compost on a 100% no-till operation, and in-field assessments of crop roots and soil quality. Snacks and beverages will be provided during this field day. This field day is organized by the Practical Farmers of Iowa. For more information, visit their website at practicalfarmers.org. Speaking of soil health, the Minnesota Department of Agriculture is now accepting applications for its Soil Health Financial Assistance Program until August 30th. This grant is available to individual producers, producer groups, and tribal and local governments to purchase or retrofit soil health equipment. Grant awards will provide up to 50% cost share with a minimum award of $500 and a maximum award of $45,000. The 2024 legislative appropriated $2.37 million for grants statewide. Examples of eligible new or used equipment include, but are not limited to, no-till drills, air seeders, strip-till units, and more. The request for proposals and the application link can be found on their website at www.mda.state.mn.us/soil health grant. Applications are due August 30th. Awards will be announced by January 1st, 2025. This is the third round of Soil Health Financial Assistance Program grants. The second round awarded over $2.3 million to 81 individuals and organizations across Minnesota. No-till drills, air seeders, and strip-till equipment were among the most requested pieces of equipment. The second round received more than 280 applications for more than $8.4 million, over 3.5 times the funding available. This press release was released and published by the Minnesota Department of Agriculture. A reminder that the public review and comment period is still open for the Mississippi River St. Cloud Watershed Management Plan. Your feedback will help us develop a plan that protects and improves our water resources. Your input is crucial in shaping the future of our watershed. The Mississippi River St. Cloud Watershed Partnership includes Benton County, Benton SWCD, Meeker County, Meeker SWCD, Mille Lacs SWCD, Sherburne County, Sherburne SWCD, Stearns County, Stearns SWCD, Wright County, and Wright SWCD. These counties and SWCDs are working together to create a plan to keep the Mississippi River watershed clean for everyone. You can find details about the plan and how to submit your comments by September 6th on the Stearns County SWCD website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net. One last thing I want to mention is that the Stearns County Fair is happening now through Sunday, August 4th in Sauk Center. Stop by our booth in the Conservation Building to learn more about what we do. We have informative handouts ready for you. Again, this is Brittany Lenzmeier, Outreach Coordinator with the Stearns County SWCD, signing off with your weekly Conservation Report.